Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro to the PC or laptop. And to do this you need to get the USB to USB-C cable, and Samsung doesn't include these in boxes now, so you'll need to get the spare one. Then connect it to your PC. And to the phone. Now the phone should start charging, and that indicates we're connected. We'll need to allow the access to the data, and right here open notification bar. You can clear all of the settings to make it clear. Here's USB file transfer. Tap on it and now you'll be able to see all of the options. So you can you change which USB is controlled by, so connected device or this device. Then you can use the USB for transferring data, USB tethering, that's the internet connection shared from your phone to your PC, MIDI, transferring images, or charging phone only. Now let's go for transferring files and data, and right here we can click on the pop-up on our PC and open device files. Inside we can copy and paste files between these two devices. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.